Click on the link below to get price. The Aipas F3 Electric Bike for adults is an impressive blend of power, design, and efficiency, making it a solid choice for both casual riders and serious commuters. At the heart of this bike is its robust 1500W peak motor, which delivers an exhilarating performance. Whether navigating city streets or tackling steep hills, the motor provides ample torque, allowing riders to accelerate smoothly and conquer inclines with ease. The 48V 12.8AH lithium battery is another standout feature. Offering significant range, it allows for extended rides without the constant worry of a recharge. Depending on the terrain and riding mode, users can expect anywhere from 30 to 60 miles on a single charge. The battery fully recharges in about 6 to 8 hours, which is quite reasonable for daily commuters. Aesthetically, the Aipas F3 is sleek and modern. The frame is made from durable aluminum alloy, ensuring it is lightweight yet sturdy enough for daily use. The bike features a comfortable adjustable seat and ergonomic handlebars that accommodate various riding styles. Additionally, the 26-inch wheels come equipped with puncture-resistant tires, which enhance stability and traction on diverse terrains. One of the highlights of the Aipas F3 is its versatility. It offers 3 riding modes: electric, assisted, and traditional cycling. This flexibility allows riders to choose how much effort they want to exert, making it ideal for both leisurely rides and workout sessions. The LCD display is user-friendly, providing essential information such as speed, battery life, and distance traveled. Braking performance is commendable, featuring front and rear disc brakes that deliver reliable stopping power, even at high speeds. Overall, the Aipas F3 electric bike stands out for its powerful motor, impressive battery life, and thoughtful design. It offers excellent value for those looking to elevate their cycling experience, whether for daily commutes or weekend adventures.